Namaste, students. I'm Jeevan Dr. Meenakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Chalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ओव्यूलाइटिस। तो ओव्यूलाइटिस को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले समझना है इम्पोर्टेंट हमारे लिए व्हाट इज ओव्यूला। ठीक है, ओव्यूला इज यू कैन सी इन द दिस इमेज, इट इज द स्ट्रक्चर बिहाइंड द सॉफ्ट पैलेट. On the lower side we have tongue, on the lateral side we have two tonsils. So the palatine uvula, usually referred to as simply the uvula, is a conic projection from the back edge of the middle of the soft palate, composed of connective tissue which contains many serous glands which produce thin saliva. What are the functions of uvula? The function of this organ includes trapping microorganisms, prevent them to go into digestive tract, and thus keeping most of the illnesses at bay. During swallowing, the soft palate and the uvula move together to close off the nasopharynx and prevent food from entering the nasal cavity. It has also been proposed that the abundant amount of thin saliva produced by the uvula serves to keep the throat well lubricated. It has a function in speech as well. In many languages, the uvula is used to articulate a range of consonant sounds known as uvular consonants. Thus, the uvula is an accessory speech organ. Stimulation of the uvula also causes the gag reflex to initiate and a common method of inducing vomiting. The mucous membrane around the uvula may swell, causing the uvula to expand 3 to 5 times its normal size. This condition is known as uvulitis. When the uvula touches the throat or tongue, it can cause sensations like gagging or choking, although there is no foreign matter present. This can cause problems with breathing, talking, and eating. Here is an image of the enlarged inflamed uvula. What are the causes of uvulitis? The dryness of throat, hot foods and beverages that burn the uvula and cause swelling, infection, alcohol abuse, added trauma to the throat, mouth ulcers, other respiratory tract infections. What are the signs and symptoms of uvulitis? In mild cases of uvulitis, the symptoms are bearable. Here is a list of uvulitis signs. First one, the reddened structure of uvula and swelling on uvula and surrounding structure, fever, snoring. In severe condition of uvulitis, following symptoms are reported, like difficulty in swallowing, that is called the dysphagia, choking, difficulty in speaking, salivation, deep sleep apnea, and nasal regurgitation. A diagnosis. The local examination is the primary tool to diagnose this condition. First is then blood test. Hemogram is advised to check the infection. Increase in WBCs may suggest the severity of the infection. Then culture, the throat of uvula. Culture is carried out to see the exact cause. This helps decide which type of microorganism is responsible for uvulitis. A cotton swab is rubbed into the structure and this is examined in the lab to identify the germ. X-ray. When the case is severe and the victim is having severe problem in swallowing and complaints of choking, X-ray of neck helps in diagnosing. Treatment: antibiotics and antimicrobial. Most of the bacterial infections are treated using broad spectrum antibiotics, the medicines which kill the microorganisms. Then we can give steroids to treat the swelling of uvula. This is quite commonly given in case the uvulitis is because of allergic condition. Steroids help reduce inflammation, redness, and pain. Anti-allergic pills we can give. The antihistamines are common to prescribe tackling the condition of swelling uvula. These pills help in reducing the redness and itching. Last treatment plan is the surgical removal of uvula. It is done in extreme cases such as cancer. After surgery, the patient has to have utmost care to prevent infection and recurrence of the condition. Thank you so much, students. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital section. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you so much.